Hello students, how are you all? So till now we have discussed about the division chapter, the division of 2-digit number, division of 3-digit number, division of 4-digit number, and with remainders and without the remainders, and we have solved some of the problems also. So now we will discuss about the division by 10, 100 and 1000 numbers. So how we are going to do it? Let's see. That is 10 divided by 10. So when we will cancel it, 0, cancel. That means what will come? That is 1. So the answer will be 1. So likewise, we will do with 240 divided by 10. So when we will divide 0, 0, that will 24. Okay students, and then as it is we will do 4210 divided by 10. So again 0, cancel 0, that means 421. Okay students, so this is how we have to do it. Let's see the another one. So like this we have been dividing 100 by 100. So here is the question, that is 100 divide 500. So that is 0, cancel 0. So what will get? 5. Okay students, so this is how we get the 5. So another way is 2300 divided by 100. That is, so what comes? That is 23. So this is how we have to do it students. Like I'll give you the another one. 93 divided by 10. So when we'll do the division, in this case we will do it like this, like here 1093. So when we'll do the division, 10 nines are 90. Okay students, so that is 0, 3. So what is the remainder? That is 3, and the quotient is 9. So this is how we get the 9 and 3. So now this is how you have to do the whole exercise. So again, so students, now we'll do the another one, that is 100 and 234. So how we have to do it? That means we will be doing as 100, 200, 100 2s are 200. So when we will minus it, 2 minus 2, that comes 0, and that left 34. So this is how we get the 34 as remainder and 2 as the quotient. So as we can see here in this answer. Okay students, so this is how we have to do it. So let's begin with the exercise. So I'll solve you the first exercise which I see in front of me, that is 30 divided by 10. So how we will be doing it? 10 and 30. Okay students, so that means 3 10s are 30. So we'll minus it, that means nothing has come. So that answer will be 3. That is quotient is 3. Okay students, so now students, now we'll do the another sum, that is 100 42 100. Okay, so you have to divide it. So that means that will go 4 times 400. That is minus 2. That will come 200, and again we'll do the 4 2s are 200, 100 2s are 200. Yeah. That means 42. So we'll be doing 42. So the answer will be for this is 42. Okay? 42 will be the answer. Okay, students? So now we'll be doing the again another one like this one. 608 divided by 10. So when we'll do it, that means 6. Okay, 0 8. So in this you will get the remainder as well as the questions. So